Hey everyone! Today I want to share with you the many benefits of making your own homemade almond milk and why so many people are choosing to switch from store-bought cartons to a simple, fresh, homemade version. You might be surprised at just how big the difference really is. I personally chose to do more almond and oat milks due to the fact that as we age, our bodies produce less lactase, which is why we become lactose intolerant. First, let's talk about ingredients. When you buy almond milk from the store, the ingredient list is usually much longer than just almonds and water. It often includes gums like guar gum or emulsifiers to help with the texture, preservatives to extend shelf life, and natural flavors that aren't always so natural. Some brands also add oils to make the milk thicker. But when you make almond milk at home, you get full control. It's clean, pure, and simple. Just almonds and water, unless you choose to add something like vanilla, cinnamon, dates, or honey. You get the peace of mind of knowing exactly what's in your milk. Next, the taste. If you've never tried homemade almond milk before, you're in for a huge surprise. It's naturally richer, creamier, and fresher than anything in a carton. Store-bought almond milk is often diluted heavily with water to cut the costs. But with homemade almond milk, you control the ratio. You can make it light and refreshing, or you can make it thick and silky for coffee, hot chocolate, or smoothies. It's a completely customizable experience. Another major benefit is the nutritional value. Because commercial almond milk is watered down, it often contains very few almonds. Some cartons might only have a handful of almonds in the entire batch. But homemade almond milk can contain far more nutrients because you choose how many almonds go into it. That means more healthy fats, more antioxidants, and a powerful dose of vitamin E, which supports skin health, immune function, and cellular repair. You also get minerals such as calcium and magnesium, depending on how you prepare it. So for people who want a more nutrient-dense plant milk, homemade is the clear winner. Homemade almond milk is also a great option for people with sensitive stomachs or those trying to avoid additives. Many people don't realize that the gums, emulsifiers, and certain preservatives can even cause bloating or digestive comfort. And when you make your own almond milk, none of those ingredients are present unless you decide to add something. It's gentle on the stomach, simple, and easy for the body to digest. There's an environmental benefit as well. By making almond milk at home, you dramatically reduce packaging waste. No more throwing away cartons, plastic caps, or inner linings. Plus, if you buy almonds in bulk or in reusable containers, you're cutting down even further on plastic and packaging. It's a small change that adds up, especially over time. Another great perk is cost. Even though almonds can be a little pricey, a single bag can make many batches of almond milk, often making it cheaper than buying high-quality organic almond milk at the store. And because you aren't paying for packaging, shipping, and marketing, you're getting far more value from the raw ingredients themselves. One of my favorite benefits is that homemade almond milk produces no waste. The leftover pulp, the part that remains after straining, that can be used in so many creative ways. You can dry it, turn it into almond flour. You can even mix it into smoothies for added fiber and nutrients. You can bake it into cookies, muffins, or energy bites. You can even make homemade crackers with herbs and spices. It's incredibly versatile, and it means that every part of the almond is put to use. And the chickens love it. And finally, making almond milk at home is just a simple, enjoyable ritual. I personally find it relaxing and grounding. For me, it's a small act of self-care that results in something completely delicious and nourishing. Plus, it fills your kitchen with a clean, nutty aroma that store-bought cartons just can't match. So when you put it all together, the clean ingredients, the customizable flavor, higher nutritional value, and gentler digestion, the reduced waste, the cost savings, and the ability to use every part of the almond For me, it's really clear why homemade almond milk is such an amazing upgrade. It's fresher, healthier, tastier, and more sustainable than most commercial options. And once you try it for yourself, there's a pretty good chance you won't go back to the box version again. Now, make sure that you subscribe because my subscribers are going to get to see how we make almond milk here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch. See you next time.